Well, a while back, I let you guys know about my plan to swap out the hood of my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. The sport models and the pro models come with a hood scoop. All other models come with this basic hood. Now, the hood scoop is superficial. It's all about appearances, not functional at all, but it does look really cool. Well, this large box right here showed up at my house around Christmas time. Nice snowy wintry night, and I didn't rush to open up the box and get installed in the truck. I actually waited a couple weeks, and by the time I opened it, found that the hood had been damaged. Got a little chip on this corner down here, and on this corner you'll see that it's bent up pretty good, and likewise needs some new paint. Well, contacted the shipping company. They would not accept responsibility because damage needs to be reported within like 48 hours. So missed my opportunity on that. I fought them on them a little bit and lost. So this big box has been sitting in my garage for a while. I've been debating what to do. Kind of put a sour taste in my mouth a little bit with even moving forward with this project. But then I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go get some estimates. I'm gonna see what it would cost. First shop was like $625. Second shop was $400. And I figured for $400, it's probably worth it. So I'm headed down there right now to drop it off. Probably gonna be a couple days before they can get it fixed, painted, and installed. But I'm excited to show you guys the product once it's all done. Well, the scooped hood is on and it looks absolutely awesome. I was on the fence about doing this project because I didn't want to spend the money to get it repaired, but I am so glad that I did. For the last few years since I bought the truck, I've been envious of every other TRD Sport and TRD Pro owner out there. I didn't buy a TRD Pro because they're too expensive, and I wavered between the Sport and the Off-Road. Really like the hood scoop, but I decided I'd rather have the added functionality that you get with the TRD Offroad, and now I've got both. The other thing that's really cool about my truck is that it's a long bed. So it's essentially a TRD Pro long bed now. I've got a long bed, I've got a locking rear differential, and I've got a hood scoop. The only thing that I'm missing is the leather seats inside, which would be really nice. Maybe that'll come down the road. But as you can see, it's got that OEM look to it, and it looks fantastic. Doesn't add any functionality whatsoever. On the contrary, it probably takes a little bit away in terms of aerodynamics, but it does look really cool. Now, as far as the repair goes, they did a really nice job on it. This is the corner that was banged up the most. And you can see that the gap gets just a little bit wider here, but it looks pretty good overall. And then they repainted the whole thing and did a pretty nice job on that as well. Of course, you can't really see that with all the dirt that's on here right now. But it's a pretty good looking truck. Pretty pleased with the outcome here. So brings up an important question: what's next for the Tacoma? Who knows? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. For more third generation Tacoma videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.